Hi everyone, welcome back to Owen's Treats. For today's video, I thought I'd do something super simple and pay tribute to one of the very first videos I ever did for this channel, which is chocolate chip cookie in a mug. For today's episode, we will be making brownie in a mug. It's very few ingredients and it's single serve, so it's perfect. So let's get into the video. So to make our brownie in a mug, we have all of our ingredients here. 3 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar, a generous pinch of salt, 3 tablespoons of milk, 2.5 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons or more of chocolate chips, and then of course what we'll need is our mug, so make sure it's a microwavable mug. For our first step, we're going to combine our dry ingredients. So we have our cocoa powder, our all-purpose flour, both 3 tablespoons, then 3 tablespoons of our sugar, granulated, and then we have our generous pinch of salt. So we're going to add all this to our mug, and you want to make sure it's a pretty big mug. A generous pinch, and then we're going to whisk this together, or you can mix it with a fork. Can you shake it something that looks like this? It should almost look exactly like cocoa powder. So for our next step, we're going to be combining our wet ingredients, our milk, and then we are going to whisk this together until it's halfway combined. We're going to add in chocolate chips, of course. I present a mini spatula. You want to make sure you're really scraping down at the bottom and lifting up so there's no leftover dry or wet ingredients at the bottom. And then shake it till it's level. And it's not going to rise a whole bunch, but it's going to rise a little bit, so it's okay if there's a little room. And also if there is room at the top, it's just more room to add more ice cream, so honestly it's a win-win. If you've been mixing it and you kind of see that you got the edges really dirty, and you don't want them to necessarily burn when you start microwaving it, you just take a paper towel, and then just go on the inside and you just scrape. Now that we have our brownie set in our mug, I'm going to tap it on the counter a few times. I'm going to add a few chocolate chips to the top of it, because why not? Add that back in. We are going to put this into a microwave on high setting for 1 minute till you see that it's kind of moist on the top, and it might be a little bit wet, but the residual heat inside the mug will cook it all the way through. We have our brownie out of the microwave, and I just let it cool for around 5-ish minutes. And then it is ready to serve. Thank you guys for joining me on another episode of Owen's Treats. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye!